welcome to my channel. In this video I'll tell you some of the important questions of linear algebra. Okay, how many matrices of order 3 cross 3 are there over Z7, where Z7 values are these? Okay, how many elements are there in 3 cross 3 matrix? How many elements will be there in 3 cross 3 matrix? 9 elements. Here 3 cross 3 elements, 3 cross 3 matrix you have 9 elements. Okay, in 9 elements means how many elements you can put 7 choices. How many elements you can put? 7 choices you have there to put in the 9 elements, means 7 into 7 into 7 into and so on 9 times. Means so how many elements will you have in this matrix? Means 7 power 9 elements. Okay, how many elements you have? 7 power 9 elements. Okay, now comes to the second question. Let a comma b be n cross n matrix such that b a plus b square is equals to I minus b a square, where I is the identity matrix. Now what we have, how we can write this in this form: b a plus b square plus ba square equals to I am writing this equation in this form. Now take b common, means a plus b plus a square is equals to I. How you can write this? You can write like this: that a plus b plus a square equals to I. So what the value of mod b? Mod b will never be equals to 0. This is called where b is non-singular. When not equal to 0 means b is non-singular, or also we can also write b is invertible matrix. B is invertible and b is non-singular. Okay, now comes to other question. Now comes to third question. A is invertible idempotent matrix. Then means a is idempotent means a square is equals to a. Okay, and also a is invertible. It has been given a is invertible also, means a inverse exists. A inverse will exist. So multiplying a inverse on both sides, a inverse into a square is equals to a into a inverse. What this values become? I. What this value become? A. Means a is equals to I, means a will be identity matrix. Okay, a will be identity matrix here. Okay, comes to other question. Now number of diagonal idempotent matrices of order n are means order n diagonal idempotent matrix. What are the diagonal? Let a I j be the diagonal matrix. What are the diagonal elements will be here? a1, a2 and so on, an be the diagonal elements. Okay, what it has been given? Diagonal idempotent matrix. Idempotent matrix means a square is equals to a, means diagonal elements here be a1 square, a2 square, a3 square and so on, an square, and equals to a means the diagonal of a1, a2 and so on, an. Okay, diagonal elements a1, a2 and so on, an. Let this be ai square is equals to ai. Okay, we can write like this, no? Means ai square minus ai, this value is 0. Means what will be given? ai, taking ai common, means ai minus 1 equals to 0. Means what is the value here? ai equals to 0 and this value goes there. Means you have two choices. Okay, means number of diagonal idempotent matrix of order n are, you have 2, means 2 choices, 2 into 2 into 2 into and so on n times. Means how many choices you have? 2 power n choices you have to put diagonal idempotent elements. Okay, now coming to other question. Given a is nilpotent matrix of order 101, then index of a power 7 is. Nilpotent matrix means a power k equals to 0, means you have to put any of the values, means the value should come 0. Here what it has been given, index is 101. What is the value of a power 7 we have to take, means index of a power 7 will be equals to 101 by 7, means index of a power 7 can be written in the form of m by k, means 101 by 7, means you can write this, what you get 14.444 and so on, means index of a power 7 value will becomes 15 here. So this is the required answer. Okay, now let us continue. If A is the n cross n matrix which has been given, then adjoint of A is equals to A power n minus 1 into k times of k times. Okay, what it has been given here means if A is a square matrix of order n, here what is the given order n, and here what is has been given adjoint A is 3, means what is the value we have 3 times, means here k times, means k times adjoint A comes, so in 3 times means adjoint of A equals to A power A. Adjoint A, what it has been given here, what is the value of adjoint A given, 3 power n minus 1 into, here k times is, k means 3 times is 3, n power 1 whole power 3 means 3 power n minus 1 whole into 3. Okay, this is the required answer. The determinant of the n cross n permutation matrix is here given. This is the big value, so we have to find what is the determinant of this. If suppose if n is equals to 1, then det A value will be 1 only. Okay, if n value is 2, such as 0 1 1 0, what will be the det A value? That implies det A value is 0 minus 1, which is equals to minus 1. If n value is 3, suppose 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0, what is the value of det A? 1 into det A value will be 1 into 0 minus 1, which is equals to minus 1. So for this value, what is the value of det A value for this n matrix, means det A value will be minus 1 whole power n by 2. Okay, minus 1 whole power n by 2, mod n by 2. This is the formula for finding the determinant A value. Okay, coming to the other question. Now coming to other question, the determinant of this value we have to find. First do the elementary operation method, means R2 implies R2 minus R1, and what is the R3 implies R3 minus R1. Okay, what these values become here, 1 plus x plus x square, 1 minus 1 1 plus y minus 1 minus x, 1 plus y plus y square minus 1 minus x square, 1 minus 1 1 plus z minus 1 minus x, 1 plus z square minus 1 minus x square. This value becomes like this. So what this values becomes 1 plus x plus x square, 1 minus 1, this value is 0, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, this is y minus x, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, I am y minus x plus y square minus x square. Okay, I am changing the values. Okay, here and here, 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancels, this is z minus x, here plus 1 minus 1 cancels, means I am changing the value z minus x plus z square minus x square. Here now taking the determinant value for this, means 1 into y minus x, here taking the determinant y minus x into this value minus this value, While taking these values, we get this value y minus x, z minus x plus z square minus x square, z minus x, y minus x plus y square minus x square. So y minus x implies z minus x. I am writing this into a square minus b square formula, means z plus x into z minus x. I am taking like this, and the other one is z minus x into y minus x. This is also a square minus b square formula, y plus x into y minus x. Okay, I am writing in this form here. Now y minus x into, I am taking z minus x common is z minus x. Now what this values become 1 plus z plus x, and here also z minus x into, I am taking y minus x common, y minus x into 1 plus y plus x. Okay, now from this equation z minus x, y minus x, y minus x taking common, y minus x, z minus x values, and these values becomes y 1 plus z plus x minus 1 minus y minus x. These values becomes like this, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, plus x minus x gets cancelled. What the value remains? Z minus b, y minus x into z minus x into z minus y. Yeah, which is the required answer, hence proved. Okay, this is the required answer. Okay, now coming to the other question. Last question I have said to you, finding the n value means minus 1 whole power n by 2 value, minus 1 whole power n by 2. Here what these values are given. So for this, use the formula minus of a plus b whole power n by 2. Okay, minus of, what is the value here? 2 plus 1 whole power, what is the value? N. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is 6 cross 6 matrix, means 6 by 2, means what is the value? Minus 2 3 whole power 3, means minus 3 whole cube, means minus 3 cube, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, minus 27. So this is the formula to find the value minus of a plus b whole power n by 2, which is equals to minus 27. Okay, now let us continue with the last problem. Now this is, let D be a n cross n real matrix with n greater than or equal to 2, means let n be 2 cross 2 matrix, means what is the value of D? 1 0 0 0. Now finding the det D value will be 0. What is the rank here? Rank of D is 1. So rank of D is 1. This value is cancelled. This value is cancelled. Now take D is equals to 1 0 0 1. So what is the value of det D? Det D is 1 minus 0, which is equals to 1. And what is the rank? Rank is 2. So rank is 2 here, and we have taken 2 cross 2 matrix, means rank is 1 and det D is equals to 1. Det D is equals to 1, rank is 1. So this is the value. Okay, now which is the last sum. Hence please like, share and subscribe. If you have any kinds of dots regarding my questions, please comment with the answers. Okay, here rank D is not equals to 1 and det D is rank is n, det D is not equals to 1. Okay, now please like, share, subscribe my channels. If you have any doubts regarding my questions, please comment with the questions. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.